How does a family business add over $100 million in revenue in less than 10 years? Simple. Don't hit your goals. Do less as you grow. And have a strict no assholes policy. As a CEO of Million Dollar Baby Co., Teddy Fong went through all the growing pains of taking on a top leadership position.
Our family always comes first. If we aren't representing our family well, then we walk away.
But through his father's mentorship, dedication to company culture, and staying true to his core values, Teddy has plenty to teach aspiring CEOs about scaling up. And it's nothing like what they teach you at Harvard. Hear the story of how this leading baby furniture manufacturer respected its path towards astronomical growth. From knowing when to say hell yes, or hell no, to opportunities to hiring a fantastic team. Teddy's going to show you all the secrets to scaling.
If you're hiring people and chasing these opportunities, you will compromise your culture that you've worked so hard to build.
It's so easy, not even a baby can do it. But knowing these principles will help you sleep like one at night. How to Scale a Family Business with Teddy Fong. Available today at ParetoLabs.com.